Hello lovelies, hello boo boos, welcome and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this gorgeous looking protective hairstyle, and keep on watching if you would like to see how I did it. Starting out with freshly washed and stretched out hair, or partially stretched out hair, and I already sectioned my hair into two halves, and I've already created this bubble ponytail that you see. And then we're just going to get on with creating this style. You guys just watch and see, watch, enjoy, like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. Okay, so I already have a similar hairstyle that was inspired by Yara Shahidi. I did this over a year ago. I'm going to link it for you to see. I'm going to also put pictures for you to see. So I decided to do this hairstyle because it was going to be quick, very easy, and I only wanted my hair in for just about a week until I got the next protective hairstyle in. So I decided to do this real quick. Obviously, you can have this hairstyle to last you for longer. Just make sure you apply gel and all of that so that your hair, and maybe have your hair more stretched out or blew out, so that you can preserve the style for longer, for like at least 2 weeks. I did not mind that I was going to have it just for 1 week. In short, I just wanted it for 1 week. So I didn't even apply gel. I only just moisturized my hair, applied some grease, and that was it, you guys. In the previous style that I'm going to link, or that I already linked, please do check the description box. For that one, I added lots of gel, and I had that hair in for about 2 weeks plus, I think. Yeah, I had it in for more than 2 weeks. So if you would like it to last longer, maybe stretch out your hair more and apply some gel. So I already did the other half off camera just because I don't want this video to be too long. So you're going to see how I do the same thing to this other side now. So for this side, I decided to add in some kinky hair, just a little bit, to add bulk to this braids, to this little braids that's going to come forward, and also to give it some length. So that is why I added it. If your hair is longer and thicker, by all means, you do not need to add any extensions, but I decided to do that because I wanted it to be thicker and longer. To keep my hair moisturized, which is key, I decided to apply some of the moisturizing cream to the extension. You guys, now that I'm watching how I braided this hair coming forward, I think my hand position looks awkward, but I think this is the only way I can do this. I don't know if there's any other position for my hand that my hand can act. I don't know if there's any other position my hand can take, but this is the only way I think I can braid my hair coming forward. Let me know if this is how you would position yours in the comment section. By the way, guys, if you watched this long, that means you love what you're seeing, you love what you're watching. Please give me a huge thumbs up. Also, remember to leave me a comment about what your favorite part of this video is. And please, if you're yet to subscribe, you guys, kindly hit the subscribe button as well as hit the notification bell right beside it. Now that I'm done braiding, I'm just going to add the braided hair to my already created bubble ponytail. Yeah, and you can always leave this hair like this, you can rock it like this, just accessorize and you're good to go this way. But I just wanted to add some some vavavoom to this look, and I just went ahead to crochet some hair extension to my bubble ponytail. I'm going to be crocheting the hair throughout the length of this ponytail. Oh, shit. One beautiful thing about this method of applying the crochet air that I'm using is that it's going to give layers to the crochet air, and it's going to make the ponytail to look longer, much longer than it would have looked if I just applied it around the perimeter of the ponytail as opposed to the length of it. I'm unraveling the air, and this is the air that I used. I used the Darling Ella Crochet Air. I've had this air for years, you guys. If you're an OG, you know. This air is one of the air that I bought during quarantine, just when I started my YouTube channel, so that I could create as many looks as possible, given that we couldn't go to the salon and all of that. So yeah, I've had this air for that long, you guys. I've used some of it for other hairstyles. You can just go through my list of protective hairstyles. I'm going to link the playlist as well so that you can go watch all my videos from way back. Now I'm finally done. This is the final result. I went ahead and added some mousse and just lay down my hair with the scarf and this thing. I don't even know what it's called, but this head wrap thing, Sha. Yeah. So guys, that's it for this video. This is the final look. I absolutely love it. This is going to do for the next 1 week or so until I get the next protective style in. And yeah, I'm so happy about how it turned out, you guys. It's so good. And so yes, I absolutely love this style, guys. This is very simple, very quick. This is what you call vex style. I mean, if that hair appointment didn't turn out the way you wanted, you can quickly do this for yourself. This is a very easy DIY protective hairstyle. I absolutely love it, you guys. You can also do it without adding the crochet air, but I just wanted it to give it a little bit of extraness, if you get what I'm saying. Okay, let me know in the comment section what you think about this look. Let me know if you're going to be trying it, and if you do, please tag me in your pictures on Instagram, or just send it to my DM if that is preferable for you, and I'll be so happy to see how your recreation turned out. And also, if you're yet to subscribe, you watched this far, you enjoy what you're watching, please make sure you subscribe before exiting this video. Also hit the bell button so that whenever I post a new video, you will be specially notified. Okay, until I come your way again next time, please do stay safe and stay blessed. All right, bye.